Some network switches have the ability to be connected to other switches and operate together as a single unit. These configurations are called stacks, and they are useful for quickly increasing the capacity of your network. We'll take a look at how to stack switches on this edition of Tech Talks next. First, we'll need to plug our Ethernet cable running from our computer into one of our Ethernet ports on one of our switches. Now that we're connected to our switch, we can log into our switch's web utility and configure the stacking protocols and settings through its GUI. So we'll log into our connected switch and navigate to the left side of the screen. Here, we'll click Administration, then Stack Management. Under the Stack Management tab, we can see which ports we'll be dedicating toward normal network usage and which ports will be dedicated to stacking port usage. It's a good idea to use SFP ports for stacking, as they support 10 gigabit internet data transfer. So we'll select these on our switch. We could also choose our Unit ID preference under the Unit ID After Reset drop-down menu if we would like. For this example, we'll set this to automatic, and then we'll click Apply and Reboot. Click OK. After configuring our first switch, we'll want to use the same Stack Management sub-tab settings on our other switch. Once our configuration for both switches is complete, and we can see that they each have the correct lights, we can navigate to our web interface and go to our System Summary under the Status and Statistics tab in the menu. Here, we can see both our master unit, Unit 1, and our backup unit, Unit 2. We also see the ports being used for stacking and other statistics about each of the devices. Once we've configured our stacking settings through the interface, we'll want to turn both of our switches off. We can do this by simply unplugging their power cords. As soon as both of our switches have been turned off, we can plug in our SFP cables. Now that our switches have been fully configured and connected, we'll see that one switch has a blinking master light, while the other does not. The switch with the blinking master light will be given the Stack ID 1, and the other switch will have the Stack ID 2. That's all there is to it. This has been a brief overview of Cisco switch stacking. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.